Assalamualaikum. Today I am here because today I will explain Introduction to Biology Part 3. So let's start. Today I will teach concept of abiogenesis and biogenesis. What is the definition of abiogenesis? It is an old theory about origin of life which was developed by Greek philosopher, and it states that living things arise from non-living things. And what is the definition of biogenesis? It is a modern theory about origin of life, and it states that life begets life, which means living organisms can only develop from pre-existing living organisms. अगर हम इसका डिफ्रेंशिएट करें एबायोजेनेसिस का बायोजेनेसिस का, तो मेन पॉइंट इज दिस थ्योरी वाज डेवलप्ड बाय ग्रीक फिलोसोफर. This theory is not based on experimental knowledge. And last point is, this theory suggests that life originates from non-living or dead matters such as mud or dead meat. If we describe biogenesis, point number 1 is this theory was developed by modern European scientists like Francisco Redi and Louis Pasteur. Number 2 is this theory is based on experimental knowledge and proofs. And at the end I will explain last point. This theory suggests that life originates only from pre-existing life organisms. I will explain in Urdu. अगर हम बात करें एबायोजेनेसिस की, तो एक ऐसी थ्योरी है जिसके मुताबिक जानदार अचानक गैर जानदार अशिया से वजूद में आते हैं. और अगर हम बात करें बायोजेनेसिस की, तो ये एक ऐसी थ्योरी है कि जानदार सिर्फ अपने जैसे जानदारों ही से वजूद में आते हैं. नीडम एक्सपेरिमेंट. He boiled meat in water, poured this gravy into bottles and covered their mouth with cork so that no air should enter into bottles. Please look at here diagram. He observed that after a few days, microorganisms produce in these bottles, although the air could not enter the bottles. He concluded that microbes produce without being brought by air and try to disprove the theory of biogenesis. I will explain this experiment in Urdu. निधाम एक इंग्लिश साइंटिस्ट थे. इन्होंने 1748 में एक एक्सपेरिमेंट किया. एबायोजेनेसिस को सही साबित करने की इन्होंने भरपूर कोशिश की, और इस एक्सपेरिमेंट में इन्होंने गोश्त की यखनी को डिफरेंट बॉटल्स में भरकर इनका जो मुंह था वो कॉक से बंद कर दिया. कुछ दिनों में इन बोतलों में छोटे छोटे माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज़म्स पैदा हो गए. इस एक्सपेरिमेंट से ये साबित करने की कोशिश की गई कि ज़िंदा चीज़ें गैर ज़िंदा चीज़ों से वजूद में आ सकती हैं. यानी एबायोजेनेसिस का जो नज़रिया था, जो थ्योरी थी, वो दुरुस्त है. My dear student, listen to me carefully. Pasteur experiment. The debate over the issue was finally concluded by a French chemist, Louis Pasteur, who performed his experiment in front of a commission of renowned biologists in 1864 and proved the concept of biogenesis. When we talk about this experiment procedure, he took sawn neck flask and add fermentable infusion of yeast, water and sugar, and kept the mouth open. The yeast infusion was then boiled to kill microbes, and the steam was allowed to release of the neck of the flask, and the flask were kept to cool. And this experiment observation is, no life appeared in the kept flask because the microorganism got stuck in the curved neck of the flask. And the modification in experiment is, he broke the neck of the flask and observed to allow the entrance of air, and observed that life developed within 48 hours. Conclusion of this experiment is, Pasteur concluded and proved that if air is not allowed to reach the flask, no life would develop, thus reject the theory of abiogenesis. इस तरह एबायोजेनेसिस का जो थ्योरी थी वो गलत साबित हो गई, और बायोजेनेसिस की थ्योरी को एक्सेप्ट कर लिया गया. I have explained different topic in this unit. I am given worksheet related to this unit. You can collect your worksheet in your school, and all work done in your school copy, and you must be submit. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.